मैं पाकिस्तान को सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ।
I think Pakistan and India will go to the final and Pakistan will lift the trophy.
I'm going to support Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma.
फाइनल बांग्लादेश और पाकिस्तान खेलेगा।
Yeah, I'm going to support Pakistan because from my childhood I support Pakistan team. That's why I have a strong passionate for Pakistan cricket team. So I will choose Pakistan for this battle. Yeah, I think from Pakistan side, Babar Azam and Rizwan will perform, and from the Indian side, I think KL Rahul or Virat Kohli will perform. I think Pakistan and India will go to the final, and Pakistan will lift the trophy.
I'm not actually a fan of any of them, but for this particular match, I'm going to support Pakistan. They are host nation and they are always unpredictable. They didn't play well in the first match, but I think they are a good team. They will do it. From the Pakistan side, I guess Captain Mohammad Rizwan going to play well, and from Indian side, I guess KL Rahul. I guess Pakistan and India, if that happens, it would be really nice thing for cricket fans.
I think their batting lineup is very good. They're playing better cricket than any other team in this tournament. Obviously, Virat Kohli for India and Pakistan. Rizwan.
Okay. And for the finals, which are the team are going to face each other?
Bangladesh and India.
Actually, I'm supporting Pakistan. If I don't wrong, they will perform good again. They lost his last match, so they will try to make themselves more confidence and more expert. For which I support Pakistan right now.
And who is your favorite cricketer from Pakistan?
Babur is my favorite cricketer right now.
In between India and Pakistan, I don't support any particular team, but I like them on player basis. Like I like Virat Kohli, and from Pakistan, the new sensation Abrar, I like him. He bowled very well versus New Zealand. I think Abrar will be the key factor in India versus Pakistan match, as Dubai pitch is very low and have some things for the spinners. So I think it will be a good competition if Abrar bowls well.
India अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलता है. मेरा फेवरेट क्रिकेटर विराट कोहली एंड रोहित शर्मा.
मैं पाकिस्तान को सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि पाकिस्तान बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम है। और
तुम्हारा फेवरेट क्रिकेटर कौन है?
मोहम्मद रिजवान। फाइनल बांग्लादेश और पाकिस्तान खेलेगा।